Standard Time. And one of the frames on the video I just posted ended up missing part of the information at the bottom. I reloaded this to look at something closer. Here's the two holes that I reference in that other video. And this is the frame that happened right before the earthquake in Sumatra, the 7.3. So I wanted to go ahead and run this and record it in case any more come up missing. Let me zoom in a minute and get it going. And I better slow it down. And zooming back out, and we're going to shift down on the bottom because that's where, there it goes. And again, here's the area of interest. And I'll let you know when we get to, well, I don't remember that big blue thing being there either. And you'll see which the right frame is because there it's blue, see? And I'll let it go through one more time. This is interesting now, this hole that's at the very end. When I'm done here, I'll tell you what the loop is, what the times are. That's a big piece missing. We'll have to find which frame it is, although I'm not sure we can see it. This is a little explosion that happened right here too, I just noticed. I think that's after the fact though. Yeah, that was after the fact. So here's that hole that appeared. Alright, so let's go back up here. I'll go in and get the times. The loop starts on January 9th, 2012 at 5:32 UTC time. And it ends at 1/11/2012 at 8:32 UTC. So let's see, we'll have to go back out to, well no, I want to show you one other thing. We need to get the 10th at 1837, as close as we can to 1837. Right there, 1832. So I'm going to come down here, zoom out, I'll show you that. Here's this white line is the bottom of the frame typically. Zoom out again. And I still have here's the two holes. And I still, this is an image that I just loaded to just talk about in general, and up here it shows that it's the 1832 frame from January 10th, and here's the eyeballs, and you can see the pieces that were missing because it's cut off. Here's a kind of a heart-shaped island down here, and it's now cut off right below that. So this is all gone where it was there before because I was able to pull it up. Unfortunately I didn't pull the actual final up. It would have been huge, but at least I'd have it then. So going back over here, you can see here's that little heart-shaped island, and that's now gone. And let's see if we can find the big blue drop and get the time on it. I can barely make the slider work that small, but it works. There it is. Let's see. Which one was it though? Let me make this, get rid of this thing. See if we can see where it is. I have to view out. I was going to make this quick. I don't know if I'm capable of that anymore. I should have done it before I filmed it. There it is. So it's 1:10:12, the 6:32 frame, 6:32 UTC. And we lost the whole thing here. Sri Lanka is cut in half. And it should show up on my video, at least the part down here. I don't know how you'll know which frame it is. And if you were to look at like this shape of this cloud here or something like that. So anyway, that's very disappointing that they would take things out. So God bless you and have a good day. I'm going to bed.